Because everyone may not have the opportunity. We understand as IOs. I think we understand it better because we go through their life history. We understand कि ठीक है उसके पास में opportunities ही नहीं थी, तो what can he really do? But जो भी छोटी opportunity थी उसने उसको use किया. I mean, if we find that something like this, so in the coming back to that mentoring part, coaching or guiding people in the institutes and all, I've seen it myself that by rekindling this kind of a awareness and interest in life outside the books, people do come up, and then they do realize that at least that they are open to the idea that yes, we can do this. And some of them also start picking up certain hobbies or start playing certain games. I mean, one can start anytime. These are the things which can definitely be impressed upon them, and they have shown improvement. There's absolutely no doubt. May not be immediately in that SSB, maybe after some time. But yes, that thing has been triggered at that time. And it stays with them. Because इतना उन्होंने किसी ने बताया ही नहीं है, books के अलावा तो और कुछ बात होती ही नहीं है. In many of such cases, I'm saying, where there is guy is very, very competitive as far as the academics are concerned. If you can just throw some light on these candidates, that one day they come to you and stay with you and you have an interaction with them. What you find are the things which perhaps they can improve, and what they have improved because of this intervention or interaction that you have had with them. Calming the nerves is a very important thing, just before the SSB. That itself is something very, very great.
सर हिंदी में कहावत है, जब जागे तभी सवेरे.
Absolutely.
So at any point of your life, if one can really understand this shortcoming that one has. Now, you rightly said, we are not looking for Sachin Tendulkar, Neeraj Chopra. We need a person. I have personally not played any game that I can really boast of. But yes, I've been actively involved in the sense I enjoyed going out down to the field, being with friends. Maybe hockey नहीं आती थी सर, कभी नहीं देखी थी. Cricket थोड़ा बहुत खेलते थे तो hockey के shot भी cricket की तरह लगाते थे. So all that thing was there. So in the similar manner, I found. But unfortunately, what happens? A lot of candidates start developing hobby for the sake of getting into the defense forces.
और PIQ में डालने के लिए.
बस PIQ में डालने के लिए. Now, remember, I will say the basic step is wrong. भाई मेरे, develop a hobby. It will help you enhance your personality. It is, we are not, you're not writing your hobbies and interests in impressing. Now, there is a column in PIQ forms where is outstanding achievement. Now, outstanding achievement में क्या लिखना candidate? Participation.
Yeah.
If that means you have not even understood what is outstanding achievement, yeah, participation is not outstanding. Yes, I played at casual level, no outstanding achievement. And I'm proud of it, yeah. मैंने नहीं मिला, just too bad.
खेले तो हैं, खेले हैं. So this is the ये इनकी देन है जो आपके YouTube गुरुज हैं और such kind of people, उनको ये बुलाया. I keep asking, I said यार ये क्या लिखा है तुमने? Participated as outstanding achievement. सर वो सर थे, उन्होंने बोला था कि कोई कॉलम खाली नहीं छोड़ना है. मैंने कहा खाली नहीं छोड़ना, इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी अनाप शनाप कुछ भी लिख दोगे तुम उसमें. So this is unfortunate.
Position of responsibility. What is the position of responsibility? I was a wicket keeper in cricket. अबे भाई मेरे, तेरा selection इसलिए हुआ कि because you are a wicket keeper. So it is not position of responsibility. Yes, of course, position of responsibility is that if you have become a team captain, obviously it's a position of responsibility. If you are a house captain, you are a class monitor, it is a position of responsibility. So just to fill up there, you write that as a wicket keeper. Games and sports also being shown as hobbies and interests sometimes. Also if you are hobby and interest can be your game or sport. If you are a professional player, then yes, I can understand that you are a professional billiard player, snooker player, or a table tennis player. Then it becomes maybe your hobby also playing table tennis. But if you are a casual player of tennis, how can tennis be then your hobby and interest? So I have, sir, always tried and made them realize that, look, be truthful. Don't ever fill up these things to impress the assessors. Because obviously, how do I check? How do I understand what you have written is correct or not correct? A lot of candidates come prepared. They write reading books, then they will come prepared with 4 or 5 books names. And the monk who sold his Ferrari, the alchemist, and some more books of Tale of Two Cities and all that. So they don't realize that, yeah, questions will be asked to just to understand whether you have really read. Now, if a person who's really played a game or played or read a book, the way he will tackle a question, his body language, his level of confidence will tell me कि ये बंदा सच बोल रहा है. ठीक है, not everything. Sometimes it does happen. It slips your mind. If you don't remember the name of the author, one can understand that. But the way you tackle it, पता लग जाएगा यार तू झूठ बोल रहा है कि सच बोल रहा है. So why tell it lie? कहते हैं ना झूठ के पैर नहीं होते सर, और सांच को आँच नहीं होती. So I always try and emphasize, be yourself, and your attitude when you go into the SSB is, sir, this is me. I always say you help yourself if you help the assessors understand you. Because there's nobody who's a better assessor of your personality than you yourself. If you can understand your own self and go with that attitude, you say, yeah, ma'am, I haven't played too many games. I haven't taken too many responsibilities. I was never interested. I was a very, I'll say, medium type of a student, but I have interest in this field. I have interest in this field. You find me suitable, take me. Otherwise, I'm sure the life is open. Late Dr. APJ Kalam, when he didn't make it into the technical entry into the Air Force, he went on to become the supreme commander of the forces that rejected him, actually.
Yes.
So you maybe there's something else meant for you. You're not cut out for this way of life. So therefore, don't artificially try and make yourself suitable for this way of life. If you have it in you, it comes naturally.